What's up, beautiful people? Thank you for clicking this video. Welcome back. What's good? What's cooking? Speaking of cooking and the whole food scene, do you know how to flambe the prawns like a pro? Of course you don't. Of course you don't.
This is what tall people see when they don't make eye contact during conversations. Haha.
You know, as Kenyans, I think we are lazy. Yes, we can tantalize and cook exotic dishes, we can, but
Bruh.
first of all, we need time, the psych, and for me, I need people, you know. I just can't cook some bolognese on the mix for myself. I enjoy cooking for people, you know, and you also have to have some cash, because if you check the prices on these seafood dishes, it's quite pricey. Anyway, if you want to know how to flambe the prawns like a pro, straight up from Chef Charles SHAYO. Hey, this is such a tongue twister. From Chef Charles SHAYO from Travelers Beach Hotel. Look no further. Check this out. The following recipe is courtesy of Chef Charles of Travelers Beach Hotel.
When you come to Mombasa here, we have a signature dish that I like myself personally. Prawns in coconut, so that takes only 2 minutes. 2-3 minutes will be out. This is very good for people who are in a hurry, that they want to go somewhere with a cost of touch and moving out very fast. So shall I start with fresh coriander? We have coconut milk, cream. We have ginger flakes, and a little bit touch of brandy for flaming. When you flame the food, it comes up very well. And I have my prawns here from the sea here, very fresh. That we want to start with. And we have also olive oil. Why I like olive oil? It's not margarine. You know, sometimes margarine people don't like it because of cholesterol. And when you have cholesterol, you have diabetic direct. So I like olive oil, but it's not very much conversant in that. So you have the prawn. It's very fast. Because it's very fast, doesn't take long. You have your fresh ginger. And as I told you, Brandy is very good for flaming. And coconut. Chumbi. And the last option will be coriander now. That is it.